You know, those recipes that call for just egg yolks or just egg whites? Well, they make this adorable little chicken egg separator for that. Normally I would just use my hands, but this is so cute. Word of warning though, if you do happen to break the yolk, it's not gonna work right. It will just mix and you'll have to scramble this egg and eat it for a snack.
One small slip can cause a painful injury. These level 5 cut resistant gloves are made from food-grade material and provide up to 10 times more protection than ordinary gloves. Whether you're slicing vegetables, cutting meat, shucking oysters, or using a mandolin slicer, these gloves help keep your hands safe. They're lightweight, breathable, flexible, and give you a comfortable, non-slip grip for better control while working.
Hi everyone, I wanted to give my review on the Snap and Strain. It does come in different colors and it is heat resistant, but what is nice about this is this will fit on different sizes of pots. So I have a smaller pot here, but you just snap it on. And all the water's out, and you just snap this off and you wash it. So it just gives you more kitchen space and it's just easier to use rather than moving your pasta to a different bowl.
If you're like me and you have a small kitchen or you have a hard time organizing spices, I would highly recommend taking a look into these magnetic spice holders. I placed mine on the fridge and they look so wonderful and they actually hold so much weight. I basically have a full bottle of olive oil here. I have another bottle of balsamic vinegar, salt and pepper shaker, and then I even took this whole thing of salt and placed it on top just to prove a point, and it does not budge whatsoever. Let's say you do want to take off the holder or you want to clean it, it's super easy. Just give it a swift tug, it'll come off, and then you can easily rinse it in the sink to give it a good clean. And I just wipe mine down with a paper towel and voila, it's brand new again, and you can place it back on your fridge. It's super easy to keep clean, to organize. I even went back and bought multiple of them because they looked so good. If you're looking for a product to help you stay organized, this is the one. I rate it a 10 out of 10.
This ice cream maker is great if you live in a cooler climate or it's a cooler time of the year. If you don't, you're gonna do some work. Here's what it sounds like while it's going. It's not super loud. You do eventually tune out that buzzing noise. It's pretty user friendly. All you need to do is plug it in and press a button and it goes. It doesn't make ice cream in 10 minutes like the box says, but then again, I live in a tropical climate. It took several hours and putting the machine in and out of the freezer for me to get to this point. As you can see, most of my ice cream is already set up and frozen because I had to do this in batches. This is best suited for like a kids activity. I love that it comes in a pair, but if you love ice cream, just invest in a better ice cream maker.